Day one divine now nankuzi bochita na canal Igbotutorials. Ahambunwada blessing ifunaya chikuma. No bochita aigamu maka usefum. Hello and welcome to Igbotutorials. My name is Blessing Ifunaya Chikuma. In today's lesson, we are going to learn about just a few kitchen utensils. So we're going to find out what some kitchen utensils is called in the Igbo language. Don't forget to like this video, share this video, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. If you're ready, can you be done? So the very first kitchen utensil is mma, which is knife. Okay, it's pronounced mma. Let's see some simple sentence we can make with it. Mma di nko, mma di nko, sharp knife. Okay, nko is sharp. Is it sharp or the nko? It's not sharp or the nko, so sharp is knife. Mma di nko. And the second one is fork. Ngaji eze. Ngaji eze. Okay, that is fork. Ngaji eze de ocha, clean fork. Ngaji eze de ocha, a clean fork. Okay, then we have ngaji itself, which is spoon. Okay, ngaji is spoon. Okay, fork is ngaji eze. Eze is teeth, so literally it's like the spoon that has teeth, which is true because that's how fork looks. But spoon, it's ngaji. Ngaji. Let's see, those are very simple phrases. Tablespoon, ngaji. Okay. The next one we have here is efere, which is bowl. Efere. Efere ofe osisi, wooden soup bowl. Efere ofe osisi, ofe is soup. Osisi is wood. Ikwe, which is mortar. Swa akpu nikwe. Swakpu nikwe, pound fufu in the mortar. Okay, akpu is fufu, swa is to pound. We have here iko de ocha, which is clean cup. Iko de ocha. And the next one we have ite ona, which is clay pot. Next we have ekwu igwe, which is a stove or cooker. Ekwu igwe agbara ohoro, which is modern cooker. Ekwu igwe agbara ohoro. Agbara ohoro is new age or modern or new generation. Okay. And this brings us to the end of today's lesson. If you have questions or something that is confusing you, go to the comment section below and you can always ask your questions. Okay. My name is Blessing Ifunaya Chikuma. Continue to support this channel, share this video, and subscribe to my channel. Okay, Till next time, come